Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, the Math Aficionado. Today's video is going to be my introduction to very first course on this channel, which is Pre-Algebra. Okay. So I'll be walking you through all the topics that we'll be covering in this course, and each topic is going to be explained in a simple and structured way. Okay, so let's get started. So as you all know, that the Pre-Algebra course is the first math course that we usually take in the high school, right? Okay, so this course primarily resolves around integers, one-step equations, inequalities and equations, graphs, functions, percentage, probabilities, and stats, right? And we'll also be covering a quick introduction to geometry and right triangles. Having said that, I have segregated this course into 10, sorry, I have segregated this course into 12 chapters, and each chapter is going to be divided into further lessons. Each lesson is going to include the theory as well as examples for the better understanding, and I've sorted them in order. Let's see what are those chapters which I'm talking about. So here we have total of 12 chapters. Okay. So the first one here is Introduction to Algebra. Second is Exploring and Understanding of Integers. Third is Inequalities and one-step equations. Fourth here is discovering fractions and also the factors. Fifth would be more about the four rules of arithmetic. Sixth here would be more about the equation. And inequalities. Seventh here would be graphing and functions. Eighth is ratios and percentage. Ninth is introduction to geometry. 10th here is area and volume. Sorry, I forgot about the probability and stats here. So the ninth would be probability and stats. And statistics. And then we start with the introduction to geometry. And then 11th is area and volume. 12th, which is the last one, and that is right triangles and algebra. Okay, so this pretty much covers the list of 12 chapters that we have in this course. And now these 12 chapters are further divided into lessons, wherein each lesson is going to have theory and examples for the better understanding. Okay, so I'm aiming for covering each lesson in each different video. Okay, and if the video extends to larger duration, so we may possibly cover that in two parts, part 1 and part 2 for that lesson. Okay, so this was your pre-algebra course outline. From next video onwards, we'll be starting with the first chapter of this, which is Introduction to Algebra. And that's all for today. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And your support truly motivates me in creating such content with love and dedication. So I would love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments how you like this video and any suggestions if you have for me for the improvement. Okay. Thank you so much.